Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a long time since I haven't recorded anything. So yeah, because I have been tested as COVID positive and I have to be in quarantine for 14 days. You can see it on my face that how sick I'm looking. So yeah, it is really hard and I have headache and a lot of physical weakness. So not feeling really well, so that is why I couldn't shoot. And today I was feeling a little better, so that is why I thought I have to make this video, because I promised you guys that I will do my Durga Puja haul. But yeah, I know I'm a little bit late and I'm really sorry for that. So let's get into the video. I had to shift the camera because otherwise you couldn't see anything. So the first thing is this top. This is a crop top. I got it from Global Desi and this is so cute. Like, this is so cute. I will do one thing. I just can't remember those prices right now, so I will put it here so that you guys can see. So this is the crop top I got, and I'm gonna pair it up with these plazos. Like, you can see these plazos. And yeah, so that is why I got this plazos from Pantaloons. So yeah, they're very good. Like, so they're so soft and so cute. So I pair it up with this top, and I think it will look good. I will show you guys, of course. Moving on to the next, this is the trouser I got from Mango. I ordered it in Myntra and this is so cute. Like, this is so soft and so comfortable, you can see. So yeah, I'm gonna pair it up with this shirt and I think they both will look amazing. I got this shirt from Levi's and it was on sale, guys. I just can't remember the exact price. I think I got this for 600 bucks and this is like so pretty. Can you just see it? And like, you see it, and this is so pretty. I just love this top and it's so amazing. The texture, the fit, everything is amazing, and these two will look so good. Like, I can't wait to try this. Seriously, this is so good. So yeah, so the next is this t-shirt dress. I got this t-shirt dress from Bare Denim, I guess. Let me check. Yeah, this is from Bare Denim and I got this from Pantaloons. This is like so pretty. I'm gonna wear it like a shrug and it will look awesome, I'm sure. This is very pretty. This is orange in color and this is awesome. Like, this is so comfortable, so soft, and such a, you know, oversized finish. I love things which are oversized and it looks amazing. So yeah, this is my next one. Moving on to my next favorite and my most favorite one. This is the leather skirt which I got from Zara and this is my favorite. Actually, I ordered it from the website of Zara because I don't have any Zara store near my house, so I had to order it from this site. And this is like so pretty. Like, I just love this, and I am thinking of pairing it with this top from Zinc London. Like, I love Zinc London too. They are so pretty, so cute, and their designs are like awesome. So I just love it. I hope this both will look good. Yeah, I think so. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. So yeah, this both is like so cute together, and this is one of my favorite dress. This is not one of my favorite, this is my most favorite. Yeah. So the next one is this dress from Anne, and I'm in love with this dress. You can see it, I hope. This is so cute, so pretty, so like so trendy in color, and I just love it. You can see the back side. This is so pretty. I'm just loving it, and I even got a belt to wear with it, and I think both of them look so good together. So yeah, I will show you all that belt too. So this was the dress. I hope you guys can see it, and then I'm moving on to the next one. So the next one is a kurta, and I just love Indian wear. So this is just a basic kurta, but this is very soft, very pretty. You can see it. This is so pretty. Like, this is so pretty. I just love this. And this is very soft. I got this from Reliance Trends, I guess. Yeah, I got this from Reliance Trends. And this is so pretty. Like, so pretty. So yeah, this is the kurta. And I just love wearing kurtas, which are so comfortable and so soft. They are like my... You can wear it. I can wear it as a dress even if I want to. Because this has a good length and I can wear it as a maxi dress. It will look good. So yeah, this is the next one. I have this Indian wear kurta. It is like, this is white in color and this is so soft, so comfortable. I got this from actually a boutique in Goriahat, and they have this nice collection of ethnic stuffs. So I got it from there, and this is like super cute, super pretty. This will look so good on me. I just can't wait to wear it. And yeah, this is a little bit bigger than my size, but I hope my tailor will make it of my size. Yeah, he has to do it for me. So yeah, here I don't have anything else, but yeah, I got one sari and I have ordered a dress too from Myntra. So I don't think I will make a video on because of that too, but yeah, I will try to, you know, show you guys. If you follow me on my Instagram and if you follow my stories, you guys can see it because I will show you guys. So yeah, moving on to the next part, the accessories part. Okay, so in this part I will show you guys the body accessories and the jewelries that I got. So I got this belt from Myntra, and I am thinking of wearing it up with my red dress. I think this belt with that dress will look amazing. What do you guys like? I think it will look like, this is so cute, guys. I can pair it up with any dress, anything. So yeah, I just loved it. This one is this belt, this leopard printed belt. I just love this. Like, this is so chic, so pretty. It will look awesome with jeans, with dress, with everything. So yeah, I just love this. Moving on to the jewelries. So I got this chain. This is from Tokyo Talkies and Rubans by Myntra, and they are really nice. This is really, so you guys can see, this is so cute and so pretty. I just love this. This is rose gold in color. So yeah, this is the one. This is so pretty, guys. I just love this. I think this will look good with my skirt. So yeah, I will pair it up with the skirt. So guys, let me tell you guys something, that accessories are really very important for our look. Like, to put together a look, accessories are really important. So don't forget to invest in good accessories. Previously I didn't do that. So yeah, but now I try to invest in good accessories along with the dress. So yeah, this one is another chain. Like, this is a multi-layered chain. You guys can see it, I hope. This is very pretty, very cute. I just love this. So yeah, this is another. So the next, I got this bracelet. This is so beautiful, you guys can see, I hope. This is very pretty. This is golden color. I got this from Pantaloons, and this is very pretty. I just love this. So moving on to the next one, I got this beautiful jhumkas from that boutique in Goriahat, where I got that white kurta. This is also very pretty. Like, I love jhumkas. They look so beautiful. I hope you guys can see it. This is so pretty. I just love this. This will look awesome with that kurta, even with the sari. I can pair it up with anything. Like, I love jhumkas because they're so beautiful. So the next one is this bangle. I got this for 100 rupees in Goriahat, and this is so pretty. So pretty. I love this. Yeah. And the last thing which I got, oh shit, I just don't know where I put it. Oh, yeah, I got this. So this one, I bought it from a seller on Facebook. So yeah, this is a black polished neck piece, a long neck piece. It will look awesome with a sari or with a kurti or something like that. I think. I can make even a fusion look with this one. Yeah, this is also very pretty. So that's it, guys. And if you guys liked it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and do comment and let me know how was the dresses and what did you like the most. And yeah, and please subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends to subscribe. So guys, I will see you guys on my next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I promise to come up with a bang. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and keep smiling. That's very important. So yeah, bye bye.